Now key backlit is not working actually. See, when I press the keys, backlighting is not working. The keyboard has been changed on within 3 months. It has I hope there is 3 months warranty. Right now I am on Armory Crate Sync. I have changed the keyboard only on December, I don't know exact date, and I have already having lighting problem down here, down in the LED panel. Now light is switching on. See, I have kept it in static. See, right now it's working. Already it was in static. I have problem with the keyboard again, with the backlighting. Who is responsible for this? Right now it's working. Already we have a problem with this LED board, so I don't know what to do. The keyboard backlighting switch ons, switch offs sometimes, and sometimes it doesn't. Right now only I have time got to record. Since yesterday I am facing this problem. Thank you.